This function allows you to rotate any selected objects in the drawing. It works in a very similar way as the Move tool, but instead of indicating a direction and distance, with this tool you need to indicate a rotation point or angle vertex and then a rotation angle. Let's check it out. In this example, I have a chair and a table. I want to rotate this chair to place it in another side of the table. For this, I need to click on the rotation tool and then select the chair. I could select more objects to be affected with the rotation, but in this case the chair block will be enough. To confirm the selections, I have to do a right click with the mouse. Now I have to indicate the angle vertex or rotation point. I want the chair to rotate around the center of the table. For this, I can use the approximation tool to force the marker in the center of the circle. And now I click to confirm the rotation point of the chair. Having the orthogonality enabled will restrain the rotation to the indicated angle of the orthogonality. However, if I deactivate it, I will be able to rotate the block freely around the rotation point. To confirm the rotation, I can either click or type an angle and press Enter. In this case, I type 90 to rotate the chair 90 degrees from the center of the table. I can also apply the same rotation value to multiple copies. Let's do this by selecting the chair with the rotation tool active and right-click outside to confirm the selection. To make a copy in rotation, I need to press and hold the Ctrl key before I indicate the rotation point in the center of the table. Once I click, I can release the Ctrl key. Now I move the rotation, type 90 and press Enter. The first copy is displayed. Now I can increase the sequence by typing asterisk and the number of copies right after creating the first copy. Note that I can modify the number of copies by typing a new value until I get what I need. I can do the multiple copies the other way around. For this, I select the chair to make a copy, pressing Ctrl key before indicating the rotation point. Now I'm going to make this copy with an angle of 360 degrees. This will make the chair to make a full rotation. Once it's confirmed, I can use the divisor or a slash button and a number of copies to divide the full rotation in an equal amount of spaces.